Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Emporia Smart to an Android device. First of all, just access Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Nextly, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. Finally, choose Send on Emporia and Receive on Android smartphone. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you can select all of your files that you wish to transfer and then transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and click on Got it. Over here on an Android, choose No Thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can always just input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Now, after a while, as you can see in my picture, was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!